Well, I have a fun interview today. I'm with my old friend, Harry Landers. He is the former curator of the Washington Park International Rose Test Garden. And so, Harry, I see you still have your fingers in roses.
I can't get them out.
And so we're at a nice gem of a garden here in Milwaukee. Where are we?
We're at the Sara Hite Memorial Rose Garden with the Milwaukee Senior Center, part of Clackamas County.
I love this place. I know we've been here a couple times, and I think it's just lovely because it has beautiful roses, but it's just a place to kind of sit and just relax and enjoy.
Yeah, it really is, and it's kind of a secret. Not many people come here.
But we don't want it to be a secret anymore, so you really have to come here this year. So Harry, you know, this year it's been a very kind of crazy springtime. So what do we have to expect from our roses? What should we be doing with them?
Well, it's time to fertilize. Go to your independent garden center and get some rose food, and yeah, it's time to start spraying too.
Yeah, because that's something that happens, but really you can take care of that.
Yeah, and get it before the diseases get in.
So you mentioned spraying. What should we be doing? What kind of spray?
Right now, we got to spray for black spot, and then mildew will be coming later.
And so really at our independent garden centers, they could help us with that.
Yes.
And then I see that there's beautiful mulch here, so really that's a great idea too.
Oh yes, we have it put on every year, and boy does it help with the weeds.
Oh, that is nice. We want all that help.
Oh yes, we sure do.
And then because it's been so cold, can we expect the same bloom time, or maybe it'll be later?
I think it's going to be later. It depends on what May brings us.
Right. It's an open month already.
Yep.
And you know, I'm so excited to hear that all the kind of rose festivities are coming back again, the Rose Parade and everything, but there's a fun contest coming up.
Yes, the Royal Rosarian Garden Judging Contest. It's a lot of fun. A lot of people enter it, and what's nice about entering it, it gives you the incentive to get out there and do what well, I should really do this. I'd like to do this. It gets you out there, gets you to put in the new plant or the new feature or whatever, put down the mulch, and then it's done for the year.
That is true. And so you can, to join with this contest, what do you do? Is there many categories? Or?
There's many, from as few as 12 roses. There are entries for people who have just roses, others who have roses planted, or perennials or things like that planted with their roses. So there's a lot of different options. There's an option for senior citizens and disabled. There is for commercial. It's really easy to do.
So Harry, if your garden is chosen as one of the winners, what do you get? Do you get something?
You get one of these.
Oh, wow.
And this goes in your garden, and then everybody can see that your garden has won. I have 3 of these stakes, and I get a lot of comments from people walking by.
That is so nice.
So it's a great thing to have.
It is. It's really, you work hard in your garden. It's nice to get a little bit of a consideration for that.
It really is.
And then is this open to the whole state, or is there just a location?
20 miles from Pioneer Square.
Oh, okay. So
somewhere in that radius.
So Harry, where can people go to get all this information?
To the Royal Rosarian website. It's real easy to find, easy to fill out.
That is good. You know, please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the Royal Rosarian website, and you can maybe get your garden into the contest today. Harry, thanks so much.
Thank you, Judy.